Good morning, March 15th. Today, in our crafting clarity, we are searching for the balance between great achievements and the million small tasks that try to take over our space every day. Our message of the day is: protect your time for what matters most. Keep trifles at a short distance. Each of us has days when we wish we could borrow Hermione Granger's time turner to get everything done. We know many techniques. The Pareto principle, the Eisenhower matrix, or 2-minute rule. But how do we combine them without burning out? The secret lies in our golden time. These are the hours when our mind is at its sharpest. For some, it's dawn. For others, the quiet of the night. During this block of deep work, we must be only here and now. No phones, no emails, no quick questions. Even a brief distraction leaves an attention residue in the brain. We subconsciously keep thinking about the interruption for another 15 minutes instead of creating. How to use this tool of resourcefulness wisely? Protect our flow. During our most productive time, work on the most difficult tasks without any distractions. Take only strategic breaks, about 5 minutes per hour. Look out the window to relax our eyes. Activate blood circulation with minimal physical activity. Or try 5 minutes of meditation. The goal is to care for your physical and mental health. Then the time for quick wins. Only after exiting deep work do we turn on the 2-minute rule. Answer emails, schedule meetings, sign documents, and handle other daily routines. The goal of these rules is not productivity for the sake of productivity, but a clear head. When we handle micro tasks on time and in groups, the brain instantly checks them off and doesn't waste energy reminding us about them. After all, the trifles we put off for later act like hundreds of open tabs in our browser. Each one weighs nothing on its own, but together they freeze the system of our peace. Try today to define your golden block, where trifles are strictly forbidden. For the rest of the day, be ruthless with small tasks and close them instantly. We become effective not when we do everything, but when we assign each task its rightful place. I believe in each of you. The Crafting Clarity by Advance Embrace.